Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today's video will feature the following. This video is going to feature, as promised, some bold hair color ideas. We're going to be taking a look at some influencers and how they are managing to color their hair. Absolutely love this trend. This one features a very vibrant kind of pop of color in the front. She has pink, green. And then we see someone who is doing more of the money piece highlight trend as well as some color. So she bleached her hair, dyed it blonde, and then decided to go with this red and some blonde money piece. Very pretty. That is absolutely gorgeous on her. So moving on. Looks like someone is doing some pink hair. Oh. So she went with a bold hot pink combo. And then we see this gorgeous curly head featuring a pop of pink in the bangs. And then we have a pop of purple in the bangs and a peekaboo color in the back. Such a pretty combination. Then we see a bob with some blonde bangs in the front. She did kind of like the split dye money piece highlight look. And then we have a Cruella de Vil inspired bob. She has black and blonde money piece going in the front. So cute. The bangs are everything. So then we have someone DIYing their hair dye. Oh wow, that came out so bomb. She has a pop of blonde in the money piece. This is very unique. She left the bangs brown. And then we have just a top layer of blonde against some black. I love the bold contrast between the blonde and the black. It just looks so beautiful. And then here is another play on that. So many different color combinations to try out if you just want to do something a little bit bolder with your hair. I'm seeing a lot of the money piece hair color dyed in the front and then the peekaboo color in the back. I love that trend. So then we have someone who is actually rocking a scarf, and she had blonde in the front and copper in the back. And then here we have purple mixed with maroon. So here is a look at a peekaboo rainbow and then rainbow colored money piece highlight. So she has pink, purple, and blue. Very pretty. Love how she did her makeup too. Then we have pops of blonde. And then we have someone doing the under dye trend once again. She had the blonde, and then she's gonna mix it up with blue. Yes. Love the way that turned out. So pretty. Then once again, we have some more blonde mixed with the black color. Now this can just be called the skunk stripe trend or the money piece highlight look. It just depends on the variation that the color is placed. So then we have another undercolor blue look happening with this next hairstyle. So she's going to be doing a few different hair tutorials. Love this hair color in the midst of the ponytails. They look so vibrant and just fun. It also looks really dope in the Dutch braids too. Like you can really see that color coming through. And then here she's just doing a clip style. This is a great trend if you just want to experiment with color. I just absolutely love it. I love how the different like hairstyle combos that she's coming up with really just kind of accent the hair color. So here someone did a similar variation, but she just did two sides with the blue color. And then we have a pop of black. Now I think that this is a really interesting way to rock the pop of color trend, because you normally see it with pops of blonde, but I love it with a pop of black. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed checking out these different hair color combos with me, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.